It's all about the money, man. That's why. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chuka The Barber, and I got 5 tips for new barbers that I'm gonna share with you today. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, you wanna have an income goal, you wanna write it down, and you wanna look at it daily. The reason you write it down is because you wanna have a way to remind you that this is what you're going after. This is the benefit for all the hard work and commitment and sacrifice that you're doing on the way there. Because we entered into this craft, it's still a job, it's still labor, it's our way of earning money. So this is gonna determine how you take action. This is labor, right? So you're gonna be given your life, your energy, your skills, your talent, your experience in exchange for money. The more valuable you can become in the marketplace, the more you can earn. But if you don't have a target, then there's not gonna be anything that's gonna direct your actions and your decisions in a way that'll actually get you to a place where you can achieve that. And that leads me into tip number 2, all right? You wanna select a work environment that's supportive of your goals. And that's not just the barbershop, but it's also the clientele. It's the people that you work with and also the people that you serve that matter. So you wanna make sure both are in line with that income goal, all right? Proximity is important. Tip number 3, you wanna put in place structure so that way you can build a business that's actually manageable, that you can control, but at the same time, you wanna be flexible as you're building up your clientele. Because you're a new barber, you don't have clientele yet, you wanna be flexible with the people that you serve because you need to keep that chair spinning regardless. So as you build up clientele, you can be more strict on that structure, but at first, you definitely gotta be flexible until you actually get that demand. And that leads me to my 4th tip. You gotta show up every day. You gotta show up every day with the right attitude, regardless of what it looks like. Can't be bitching and complaining. That's why it's important to pull that income goal out and look at it and remember what you're going after, because every day ain't gonna be popping and you might go a long time without popping, but that doesn't mean that you can't eventually achieve that goal. It's just that shit takes time. Tip number 5 is stay fully committed. All right, when I say fully committed, yeah, that's showing up every day, but that's also fully committed to improving your skills, fully committed to sharpening your personality, fully committed to promoting yourself if you're ready for that, fully committed to just showing up with the right attitude, delivering a world-class experience. And yeah, it's not gonna happen overnight, but it doesn't need to take that long, and it can happen faster than you think if you are able to follow these 5 tips consistently. You can definitely reach it faster than most people. All right, so that's my 5 tips for new barbers. Leave a comment if you have any more questions or things you would like me to cover in future videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tapped in to take your career to another level. We're dropping good game knowledge and information straight to your iPhone weekly. YouTube, what's up? Chuka The Barber here. I want to thank all y'all that's been rocking with me since day 1. Currently at 197,000 subscribers. Trying to push that thing all the way up to 200. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I got videos dropping every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from now on. So come tap in, rock with me. I'm finna take it to a whole nother level. I'm out. Peace.